Musketeer #1 coming at you.
This is Musketeer #2.
Musketeer 2. Musketeer 3, where is she? Right there. Oh, now get off me.
Ow.
They were suffocating me. Alright, let's get on with the Barbie doll stuff. Where's Ken?
We're over there.
Give me Ken.
You're like, Did you come into? Then you're complaining about coughing. She's been coughing for 1 week. You're like,
Alright.
so Matthew, you're not even coughing now.
Alright, you ready?
I'm over here.
Alright, you ready, Maddie?
Parking spots are right there. We are.
Oh my gosh, honey, I'm gonna totally get you to the hospital. Come on, I got you. Hefty man arms.
Hello, how may I help you?
Hi, my wife has been coughing for 9 weeks straight and she hasn't stopped. I don't know what's wrong with her.
Well, I need to take her to the
Take her! Oh, just fix her! Fix my wife!
It's kinda heavy.
God, I can't wait till she's gone so I can get life. Gosh, I hope she dies. I want that money.
Sir, she's fine. She's just been having a cold for the past few days.
Oh.
She's just got.
Then give her medication, woman!
She just had the stomach flu. Ow!
And then you repeat that sentence again. Pretend I'm going on my video recording. Repeat that sentence again when I went in there.
You're totally not sick.
Wait, no. Not yet.
When you said
I really hope that girl dies. I want that life insurance money that I'm gonna get.
Sir, she's in there. She's fine.
What?
She's fine.
Shut up, nurse lady. No one asked you what. Are you okay? What's wrong? Sweetie, I give you my dress. What's wrong? What's wrong?
talk to me.
Patricia! What's wrong?
Why is this nurse down on the floor?
Some guy with a crazy dress on. Like a man.
It was him.
A man came in here and
It
beat
was
her
him.
up. No, it wasn't me.
Are you okay? Are you okay,
You have
honey?
no evidence it was me.
Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine.
If you don't fix my wife, I'm going to kick you in the head. I want a divorce.
Oh, we need to take you to the emergency room.
Are you okay? I think I killed her. I think I killed my wife. I mean, my ex-wife.
Who cares about her? Let's fix her.
Oh my
No,
gosh!
you can't take me.
She's dead.
What's happening? I can't get up. No.
He's got loads in his head. His head's coming off his own shoulders.
Ah!
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Like,
Oh my gosh! Oh my
He
gosh,
started running
Beatrice!
because you saw me. He started running.
like zombie. That's it. You started coming towards me.
Zambi!
No, please, no.
Oh, she did. I gotta go get Kit.
He said, "Why is she lifting?"
She okay?
I don't
She
know.
dead?
I
She
don't
dead
know.
yet?
I don't know.
Oh, she's lifting.
Help me! Help me!
I'd rather not.
Help me!
I'd rather sit up here. You know what? I'm gonna put down here and watch.
That's my table.
Ah!
Mom, are you okay? Whatever, I'm doing my Olympics.
You dang it? Oh my. Somebody get her. Not her. No, like, seriously, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my. Oh my. Ow!
Oh, what
Ow,
happened?
my leg!
What are these spots on my legs?
Oh, I don't know. Ask your nurse. Ah!
And he said, what you... Wait, what?
Well, where'd the car go? Where'd the car go? Where'd the car go?
They pretend I ran into you.
Oh my gosh!
Get off of me!
Oh my gosh! My neck is coming out of her socket!
Get off of
I'm gonna
me!
put his head back in. Hold on.
I'm hers, not... I'm hers.
It stopped.
No, it didn't.
Oh, I thought it did.
Nah! I killed her.
You're like, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Shoot, dude.
She's dead.
Oh god! I just decapitated Ken! Somebody hold his head up like this, please. Why did I say hold his head up? This is not his head. Alright, hold it, Emily. I'm holding this so I can control his body.
We pressed it down on the ground.
Oh shoot, his head came off.
It's a bad place.
Stop! Ah!
Sorry.
Ow! My finger!
All that needs to get hurt is her.
Ow!
Sorry.
Did you get her?
I told you to stop!
Did you hit her thumb?
No, she hit my finger.
I know. Which finger?
This finger!
The
The thumb is not a finger! Don't make me slap you in the next week, girl. Okay, we just got to walk around with a decapitated kid. Hold his body! And don't smash my finger this time.
You just see me driving. You're like, and you said, "Hey."
We're trying to do an emergency surgery. Shut
No,
up.
wait, we sit him on the bed. Wait, no.
I mean,
We
that
need all
works.
nurses. All
Alright.
nurses. In or out. In or out.
We're trying to enter a man's head into his body.
The all nurses.
You got it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa, girlfriend. Whoa, girlfriend. Oh my gosh, somebody thought to join the Olympic divers team. Look at this. Hold on, I should have. Look at that. We are reattaching a man's head to his skull.
No.
Oh no.
Oh no! That looks like some exorcist crap, bruh.
She's a mermaid.
That's a mermaid?
That's how
I would have thought that was Lucifer himself.
And he's making next part, chapter 2.
Next part, chapter 2!
Okay, I'm seeing it.
Okay, guys, we have a challenge for you. Can you hit that subscribe button, hit
Comment
that
down
like button, comment down below, and also hit that bell in 7 seconds. Can you do that all in 7 seconds? All right, you ready? 7,
I'll be 7.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you can do that, comment down below, and I will be replying to as many of you as I possibly can. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in for this week's video. All right, we love you all. Bye. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.